What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gels and I'm back with another video. In this video we're gonna talk about beat stems. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about beat stems and the importance of mixing with beat stems. I mix a lot of records from a bunch of different artists and I always get asked, what's the importance of having beat stems? So without further ado, let's head over to the computer. Let me show you the difference. All right, fam. So like I said, I get asked all the time from artists, what's the difference between receiving a beat 2-track and a beat tracked out? All right, so what I have here is a session that I'm working on. Here is the actual beat 2-track. Here's the beat tracked out. As you can see, I have the drum section. I have the drum section inside folders just so I can keep everything. I know exactly what I'm working with and I have it color coded as well. Then I have the melody section here. And then I have the bass. I don't have the bass in a folder at all. So first I'll play the beat as a 2-track. The producer actually did a very, very good job on his mix of the beat. So in actuality, I kind of could have used this beat, this 2-track, but there's a couple things that were straight down the middle that need to be panned to the left and the right. And I'll show you that here. But I'll play a little section of this beat here, the 2-track. This beat is definitely a vibe. This record is an artist named Blue. All right, there we go right there. Like I said, the producer did a great job on his mix. Kudos to him. But like I said, having the 2 tracks is always better. Like I said, here are the drum section. You got the kick, you got the hats, the perks, and the snare. You got your melody section. Then you have the bass section. Let me mute what he actually did. So I have the drum section here. I'll just play the drum section really quickly so you guys can hear what I did with it. I don't believe I did too much panning. I did some panning of the hats, the perks, and the snare, just getting it out of the way of the center, leaving the kick right there. Let's play it. You see, that just opened it up just a little bit. It's a beat drop right there. All right, now we'll come down to the melody. As you can see, just some slight panning here with the melody. Let's add that into the beat. You can see it just opens this beat up just a little bit more, giving room for those vocals to sit right in the middle. Then the last thing we got is that bass. Of course, that bass is coming straight through the middle. Let's play that. Whew. Ain't nothing like a good bass, man. I'm a sucker for a bass, bro. And this is important right here. This section I just had right here. This is important about having the 2 tracks as well. So this section right here, let me back this up. This section right here. That section is where he actually starts his verse. So if I had the 2-track beat, I would have to cut out the whole beat. But in fact, when you have the track outs, you can take out certain instruments like I did here. I took out the drums, but I left the melody section and I left the bass. Like I said, with the 2-track beat, I would have had to mute the whole beat, cut the complete beat out. But with the actual 2 tracks, I mean, with the track outs of the beat, you could play with it however you want. You could move sounds around. You can mute certain sounds and stuff like that. That's why it's really, really important to have the track outs. Let's play that again. Which is dope, man. I love having the beat track outs, man. You could just do so much more. Like I said, this producer did a great job, man. Kudos, like I said. So let's play his. Let's play his again. I said that's a great mix on that, man. Now let's play this one. As you can hear, man, it just opens this beat up just enough, man, to have those vocals sit straight in the middle, man. Like I said, having those beat track outs is vital. Then if you can hear that bass, I added a little oomph to that bass just to make that bass cut through a little bit more. Yes, sir. You guys saw the difference in mixing with a 2-track beat and a beat stem and the beat stems. As you can see, man, you just have more control over the song, over the beat when you mix with beat stems, man. Are you mixing all your songs with beat stems? Are you an artist that may not want to purchase the beat stem license from a producer? I hope I can change your mind, man. Mixing a song with beat stems just takes that song to the next level and lets your engineer have free reign over the beat, man. Let's talk about it in the comments below. Are you mixing with beat stems? Or are you simply mixing with 2 tracks, man? Be sure to check out my website, mixedbygels.com. Like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.